In this video, we will explore 4 different ways for you to get back lost files on iPad, with or without backup. Make sure you can successfully recover iPad data, whether it's photos, documents, or other important data. Part 1. How to recover deleted files on iPad from recently deleted folder. Unlock your iPad and open the Files app on this gadget. Find the Browse tab, click it, and select Recently Deleted from Places. Finally, browse and select the files you want to recover and click Recover. Part 2. How to recover deleted data from iPad without backup. If you don't have any backup and want to retrieve deleted files directly on iPad, then Mobican Doctor for iOS can help you. First, it allows you to restore files without backup. Step 1. Connect iPad to your computer. Step 2. Scan lost files on your iPad. Step 3. Preview and recover lost iPad files. Part 3. How to restore deleted files on iPad from iCloud backup. Erase iPad content in Settings, General Reset. Erase all content and settings. Using your password. Follow setup. Pick Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in. Select Backup and Restore. Part 4. How to recover deleted files on iPad from iTunes Backup. Launch iTunes on your computer, connect your iPad via USB, and select it. Choose Restore Backup from the Summary tab. Pick the relevant backup with lost files and click Restore to begin.